back to do the tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do the backrooms. To do a tutorial, guys, about this video, I'm on a cheat skip. I'm going really quick. It's a tutorial. How to do the camera movement. First of all, you get the cam track. This iOS app right here. You download that. Going inside the backrooms. And if you know how to go to the tutorial in the backrooms, you go like this. Boom, we're in the backrooms. As you can see on here, you can see my feet. Thank you for watching. This is how to go back. Boom. Bitch. And then you look at the tutorial camtrackar blender, and you download it here, as you can see. Or do you get it? Download it here. Here, zip. Boom. And then you go into Blender, and then you append, and then you smack that into your recording. So you're gonna just record some bullshit. Here we go. Welcome back to another backrooms. Today we're gonna go inside the backrooms. Blender. And then we go.
Here guys, Blender.
And then we.
Here guys, Blender. You make sure to use Blender, guys.
Yeah, you go Blender and do that shit. Then you go. You said how to do a transition. Make sure you make a video before it. Where you're walking through something. Position the thing you put in Blender. Make sure when you walk through it, like a wall in front, and then when the camera moves forward, you go through the wall. That's the Noclip. You get what I'm saying? And then that's how you do it. And if the people who are very specially made and don't understand it, what I said in CapCut, let me show you right fucking now. I'm gonna show you what I mean by a mask. So a mask is, let me show you. So you were talking about how you freeze the clip. You see this little shit right here. You press this, and then you move the video on top. Boom. And then you do mask at the top. Other mask. There's your mask. Let me just make the background different or whatever. Yeah, and then as it drops, you add you keyframe the shit and go boom, 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 boom. It's off the backrooms, mate. It's off the backrooms. And then let me just do this bullshit to make it look like what it originally was. Oh my god, guys. That's so backrooms, eh? Look, you see that? And what did I mean by blend? This is the blend shit. You see it feather blend bullshit. You see it? See how it like fades? You see that shit? Yeah, bro. And that's what a blend is, guys. Haha. Circle. Guys, here's a little blend. Here we go. Look at that. Is that tough or what? I think it just. And then boom. Look. Like dun, 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 dun. You know the line from cartoon. If any of you are either over like at least 15 years old of age, you know what I mean. 16 years of age, you know what I mean. The lion that goes. You watch cartoons as kids. Yeah. You see that? That's what it is. Let me see my video again. Drivers 991. Let's see. Somebody said in this tutorial, no one can understand shit. Well, it's easy enough, and it can't be that hard. Walking through it slowly. Can you do it on mobile? I don't know. Probably you can. I don't know if you can do it on mobile. Maybe you can. Probably. I don't know. Like,
Robert,
what the hell?
how are you doing today?
I'm doing fine, man. No, you really need a light motion. I don't know what the fuck he's on about. Maybe a tutorial in some different way. I don't know. But I couldn't care. So, I don't know if this is TV reference here. Go watch Kawaki, bro. Can you do it for fun? Can you do it for mobile? Brother. I think there's another tutorial to do it. But it's literally the same exact steps. Same steps, brother. Same steps. Freeze image in the background of the career shit, you know? Freeze the image in the background, yeah. And then the dude, you dropping it. Let's pretend my hand is here and I drop it. And then you see, boom, and it goes down. Oh wow! And find the perfect frame. And boom, that's it. Easy. It's not that hard to understand. Holy shit. It's not that hard. Hand goes slowly into the wall. See, I cannot do that shit. Maybe I can with the mask. But that's just, you know, I'm not that, like, creative in a way to do that. I mean, I am, but I use CapCut as well. Like, if I try to do my hand, but it still looks like buttons, I literally cut it off this tutorial. This used to be, this video, this used to be at least 3 minutes. I cut it off, because it looks so shit. So, you know. Yeah, bro. If you'd like to enjoy the subscribing of the explosion and subscribe to my YouTube channel, I would appreciate it if you like, you know. And I have another channel called Easter Rob, and if I hit 5k, I'll start posting videos of my face. Maybe not after the videos I make are very fucking weird. I might not post with my face, but there's a big chance I might. Yeah, so please subscribe, convince me to edit my video, and I will upload. I'm gonna upload in 3 months, so yeah, whatever. Subscribe.